Well, we currently have a line of rain and storms moving into our western county, specifically Val Verde County. And associated with that line, we have a tornadic rotation occurring at the moment for the southern parts of Val Verde County, specifically near Box Canyon and near 9 miles south of the town of Cornstalk. So this is until 10:45. So in the next 7 minutes or so. So we're going to watch out in the next couple of minutes to see if the National Weather Service continues to believe that the rotation is still strong enough to continue this tornado warning. But even if the tornado warning does not continue, these same areas have a severe thunderstorm warning until 11:15 due to strong winds and also the potential of a tornadic rotation occurring once again. So I'm going to step off screen just to show you that the tornadic rotation at the moment is moving through Highway 90. And let's zoom out just to show you also the myriad of warnings occurring in Val Verde County. We have two severe thunderstorm warnings. Severe thunderstorm warning that's happening towards the northeastern corner of the county. This is until 10:45. It has the potential of a tornado, but it looks like it's mainly due to straight line winds. And of course, the severe thunderstorm warning towards the south for the southern parts of Val Verde County, including Del Rio, until 11:15. We also have two flash flood warnings in Val Verde County with rainfall rates potentially at around 2 to 3 inches per hour. Now, if I zoom out just to show you how this matches up towards the rest of South Central Texas, much of South Central Texas is currently dry at the moment. San Antonio, Kerrville, Victoria. But eventually, this line will continue to move eastward into counties such as Kinney County and, of course, Edwards County. So let me play a model run. This is the Future View graph model just to show you what we're seeing. So this model shows that over the next couple of hours, we're going to see this line move towards the east, and it will head into Edwards County by 11 o'clock. And then as it continues to move eastward, it'll begin to break apart. It'll break apart. Right now it's very organized, and it will get more scattered in nature. And eventually by 5 to 7 o'clock, this model says that it will be absolutely nothing. It will just be sprinkles throughout the early morning to mid-morning hours. Now for tomorrow afternoon, we have the ingredients present for some strong storms that could produce hail and maybe some rotation, or maybe some tornadic rotation. Instead of a widespread line of rain that we're currently seeing for Val Verde County, it will be more isolated cells that will form off towards the west associated with the dry line. Now the question is it going to have enough juice to continue to move eastward into the majority of our area? And this model says that it won't have enough juice to continue to move eastward, and it shows that we'll be mainly dry throughout tomorrow evening. So this is very promising so far. However, we still have the ingredients there for a strong storm or two to form. So I wouldn't hold my guard down just yet, but it looks pretty promising for our severe thunderstorm chances. Now, just to show you the overall outlooks in terms of severe weather, the places throughout the west, so Edwards County, Val Verde County, and parts of Kinney County are within a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather. This makes sense as the atmosphere right now is conducive for severe weather, but this changes tomorrow as much of South Central Texas is within a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather. So the ingredients are there, they are present, but it's not a guarantee that we will see severe weather. Now, looking at the flood risk for tomorrow, we have flood warnings in Val Verde County. Now, for tomorrow, as the risk shifts more towards the east, San Antonio, Kerrville, and Austin are within a slight risk for severe flooding. Now, this is due to cells that will once again have high rainfall rates and could produce some downpours that could cause some street flooding. So here's a look at the 14-day forecast. We have a weather impact alert for tomorrow. The ingredients are there for potentially severe weather. It's not a guarantee, though. It's just a 50% chance of some strong storms, and then a 10% chance of rain on Monday, and that chance increases to 30% for Tuesday and for Wednesday, and then it decreases to a 20% chance for the beginning of Fiesta. And these rain chances will continue into next week as well. And thankfully for the river parade, it looks mainly dry as of right now. Time to head to sports to Kristen. How's it going?